Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a filler effect face gel. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this lightweight filler effect gel that instantly gives us smoother, tighter skin through our active, which supports the skin's natural structural proteins and improves firmness and elasticity. We will start with the water phase, and I'm adding my active, which is EPS C-Fill. EPS C-Fill is a purified marine eco-polysaccharide that provides an immediate filler effect by instantly smoothing the skin's texture. It does this by supporting the synthesis of fibers like collagen and elastin in the skin and by helping to boost the skin's natural hyaluronic acid levels. EPS C-Fill is backed by in vivo efficacy data with over 90% of users reporting wrinkle reduction, skin tightening effects, and smoother skin texture. To create the gel, I'm using propanediol and Siligel SF, so I'll create the slurry with those before adding them to the water phase under high shear. Your choice of gel and humectant is really important in a gel because we don't want the gel to feel sticky or tacky on the skin at all. So I've chosen propanediol over glycerin because it's naturally derived but far less tacky than glycerin. And I've chosen Siligel SF, which is also naturally derived and delivers a silky, silicone-like feel with high spreadability on the skin. And because there's no heating in this formula, I can add in my broad spectrum preservative now. So I'm just going to homogenize those under high shear to fully hydrate. While I'm waiting for the gel to hydrate, I'm going to solubilize some fragrance in just a small amount of solubilizer. I'm using lotus flower fragrance. And then once the gel is hydrated, I can combine those together. And then we can just set that aside to reach its full viscosity overnight. See? And that's how easy it is to make a filler effect face gel. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!